more than words said apart here, more than sentiments on display, more than religious echoing, something that was written yesterday. I know those holy bells ring clearly. I see and know them today. I know them liberty bells ringing. Hear, see, and know them singing. More than watching someone else sing, more than watching someone else speak, more than reading along and repeating, filling a seed and being seen. I know the holy bells ringing clearly. Now hear, see, and know, singing out today. I know them holy bells ringing clearly. Hear, see, and know them singing out today. Seems like a love you have felt before, yet it is brand new here today. Seems like something you have felt before, it's so fresh and new here today. Seems like something you've always wanted. It's so much better than you dreamed. It's not just a repeat of another day once lived, but present and new here today. No, the holy bells ringing clearly. No, you see and know them singing out today. I know the holy bells ringing clearly. Hear, see, and know them singing out. No, the holy bells ringing clearly. Hear, see, and know them. Liberty bells ringing out. I hear, see, and know them ringing out. They are singing today. More than words that are set apart, more than sentiments on display, or religious sounds that are just echoing, that were spoken yesterday. 'Cause I know holy bells ringing clearly. Hear, see, and know them singing out right here today. Know the holy bells ringing clearly. Hear, see, and know them ringing out here today. Right now, ringing out today. Hear, see, and know them ringing out today. Those liberty bells ringing out. Hear, see, and know them ringing out. Hear, see, and know them ringing out. Hear, see, and know.